Hey guys, so take number 3. Quite quickly, did get the Insta360 GO 3. This is the 128 gigs and this is the 64 gigs. I loved it so much. I got the 64 gigs used. Well, they label it as almost new from B&H for $100 off without taxes, obviously. But why I got the second one is to illustrate the fact that the battery consumption on this will only give you around 35 minutes of 2.7K recording. I just clip it into my backpack and call it a day. So I got 2 of them, so I can, once this is exhausted, I can just flip it, take it out, and then put this one back into the charging case. While this is charging, I have another one recording at the same time, and I don't know if you need more than 4 hours of recording, but if you do, then you'd have to schedule it in a way where you transfer the data from one to the other. Another thing I found is that this pod is assigned to this 128, and even if you switch it around, if you plug this in, this will charge, but it will not transfer any data from it, and you cannot control this camera using this pod. So for example, if I take this and stick it to this, it will charge. As you can see, it starts to charge and it's ready to go. But if I turn this camera on, it turns this on, right? So this is what turns on, and not the other one. And this also goes with the data transfer. So if you want to transfer data, you would need the assigned pod to this camera to transfer the data off of it. But this is this one was $429 without tax. This was $310 without tax, but I got this used. Basically a $700 system for a very, very niche. I use this as a body cam, especially when you're going through the subways. You run into people doing stuff, stupid stuff, things like that. This is quite convenient. And you can go around the 35 recording limit, technical limit, by just taking this one out, whichever is dead, you take it out, put it back into the charger, and then start recording with the other one. And you can go around that like 4 to 5 hours, I would say, because the charging time for this to fully charge is around 35 minutes. So and the recording time is 35 minutes. So you are going to lose the amount of time you can record as you go along. So that's something I thought that was very interesting using this camera. So hopefully